In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can easily fix a visual image on your screen when you launch a game. If you look here at the screen, we have some crowding going on with the titles of the teams and the numbers for the teams. Very simple to fix. If you're on a PC, hold down the Control key and click on the plus or minus key in any browser, and this will enlarge or reduce the size of your screen. So in this case, I want to hit the minus key. If you're on a Mac, instead of the Control key, you're going to use the Command key plus or minus or scroll up and down on your mouse. One other way you can do this is simply go up to the browser, to the three dots. This is Chrome. Click on Zoom, and you can plus or minus to increase or decrease. Well, as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next training more engaging. Take care.